Gold Standard Bank presents a G999 blockchain card at the size of a credit card, directly connected with a blockchain merchant. A perfectly sized card is powered by Ambiq Apollo 512 MCU, reliably protected by a unique secure chip, and linked to a USB charger. There's a graphic display, a rechargeable battery, a Bluetooth or an NFC mode, and many more features in our innovative payment system. Store your assets secure on the first ledger of the size of a card. Find out more on G999main.net.
All right, what's going on, family? Your brother Supreme X here. CEO Fard Money Network family. It's our daily morning stream that we do every morning. We try to do every morning at 10 o'clock a.m. Eastern Standard Time, family. Now, today's topic, family, is we're going to come right back on what we talked about last night on the Future Money Show that I promised, and I might do another breakdown of this later on tonight as well, right? So just be on the lookout for that. If you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, please go do so. Fard Money, we're streaming on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram. So you can follow us on all of those platforms, and you can stay tuned in to what we're doing to get an understanding on what we're doing and take advantage of this vital information, what we're about to reveal to you this morning, right? So peace and blessings to everybody. Good morning to everybody. Assalamu alaikum, salam, peace, however you word your greetings, but we want to give you peace and we want to welcome you to day 34 of our 90-day run in Fard Money Network. Day 34 of our 90-day run to financial independence and generational wealth, right? And family, yes, in Far Money, we are network marketers. We promote network marketing. We promote affiliate marketing. Why? Because it builds you leverage. We build you leverage. So today we want to give you a little science of network marketing and a science of networking and a science of leverage. We want to just give you a little cursory about that, but we do have some questions that we want to ask everybody here, and feel free to answer the question on whatever one you choose, right? It's like 3 parts to this one question, right? You might choose one, you might say none, or you might say all. But we just want to know, and I want to give you the pros and cons of each of them, right? I want to give you the pros and cons of each of them. So let's get into it. So now, family, if anybody been paying attention, you've been paying attention, you know Bitcoin is in a major, is exploding, right? Bitcoin is dominating everything dealing in the asset world, the business sector, everything dealing with that. Bitcoin is dominating the headlines, right? Bitcoin, I went to sleep last night. Bitcoin was trading for what, 33,000 or something like that, and then later on it hit 34,000, almost 35,000. I think it's hovering around that 34,000 mark right now. So as we go to Coin Market Cap, we can see, oh, it's at $33,482. So it fell a little bit, but it's still over. These are highs, family. The highs are almost 35,000, right? In the last 7 days, Bitcoin is up 22.31%. However, nobody's paying attention to Ethereum. Ethereum is up 42% in the last 7 days. It's up 15.58%. Now, Ethereum is trading for $885. It was just at 900 right before I got on this screen, but then it fell. And remember, the crypto market, it fluctuates all day, all night long, because the market is always open. The blockchain is working. It don't stop, right? So nobody's talking about that. Nobody's talking about Ethereum, right? But Ethereum is doing real good. Bitcoin is doing real good. So by us knowing that, and the whole cryptocurrency world is doing good, because the total market cap of cryptocurrency is $884 billion. That's the market cap. That's up significantly in the last 7 days or so, right? So if you had the opportunity to get involved in this, and these are reasons because this market is exploding, you should want to get involved in this, right? However, a lot of us is not educated on how to get involved and which way we should get involved. All right. So you pretty much got 3 entry points. You got really 2. You got 2 entry points, right? That you can get involved in cryptocurrency. Then I'm gonna add the 3rd one in, right? So I'm gonna leave that up for y'all to look at it, right? If you watching us on IG, go to our YouTube channel, Fard Money, or go to our Facebook page, Fard Money Network, and you can see the graph and the screen on what we're showing these slides, right? However, I'm gonna leave that there right there and let y'all look at Bitcoin and Ethereum, right? I'm gonna leave that right there. All right. You got 2 entry points to get involved in cryptocurrency, right? Primarily. We just did with the basic 2. You can get in as a trader, meaning you can move some of your currency into the crypto, and you can go on exchanges, there's plenty of exchanges in the world, and every exchange has Bitcoin and Ethereum on it, right? You can go there and you can start trading. You just look at pairs that Bitcoin is paired to, look at these prices, and you trade, right? Traders make a lot of money. However, you got to be highly educated to do trading, to do accurate trading, right? Because you can lose on the trade, and it's probably going to take you a few losses to really get the hang of what you're doing, right? You can monitor the trade, and they got other platforms. They got robots, and they got people you can follow and make day trades. They got all that that type of intelligence out there, that type of AI stuff out there, right? And you can make those trades. However, trading is risky because all traders lose. There's not one trader in the crypto world that don't lose on trades. Right? However, They probably don't work. They sit in front of a computer. They watching graphs. They watching this and this and the third. And another thing that they do, and this is how they really maximize, they got cryptocurrency has something called arbitrage. I might be saying that incorrectly, but some of y'all understand what I'm saying, arbitrage, right? That meaning you might go to Binance and Bitcoin is trading for 33,000, but then you might go to BitForex and Bitcoin is trading for 35,000. Y'all see the difference, right? This is what goes on. All the prices of this is CoinMarketCap, what you're looking at. That's just the average of all the exchanges that CoinMarketCap got listed that has Bitcoin. So they do an average. So the average price of Bitcoin is what you see on the screen, right? But you might go to another exchange and Bitcoin is higher than that or lower than what you see. So the experts in crypto, the crypto space, the traders, they know how to go and search these exchanges. They got to count on these exchanges. They say that, okay, Bitcoin is trading for 33,000 here. So let me buy Bitcoin here. It's trading for over 35,000 over here. And let me go sell it over here to get those $2,000 in profit. That's one of the ways that they trade. And they look at how Bitcoin is paired with other cryptocurrencies, right? So when you go to the exchange, you see Bitcoin, you see the market, and you will see if it's green or red. If it's green, that meaning this coin against this coin is doing pretty good, right? So that means that might be a good trade for you. I'm just saying. However, trading is very risky. Arbitrage is very risky. Why? Because that price can change on that exchange at any time. You might go over there and sell it and then exchange it, go down and go up. And then cryptocurrency is very volatile, right? Y'all remember when we talked on the Future Money last night, how the article that we read, they was talking about the ones who were shorting Bitcoin. When Bitcoin went up to like 29,000, they dumped their coins. Then they thought it was going to be a pullback, but it wasn't. So they didn't, that wasn't a wise choice, because from 29,000 it went to over 34,000. It's almost $6,000 that they lost by trying to do honest and smart trades. So they made their profit or whatever, but they lost out because they didn't hold a little longer. They just had to hold a few hours longer, and then they would have been up an extra $5,000, $6,000. Now that's just trade. That's the one. So that's the first question. Would you rather trade Bitcoin? Answer, you can type that in the comment section, Facebook, Instagram, or YouTube, right? Whatever your answer is to that question. Do you want to trade? Is that a way you want to get into cryptocurrency? All right. Do you want to buy crypto? Do you want to buy Bitcoin rather? Do you want to buy Bitcoin? Okay, you can go buy Bitcoin, PayPal, Cash App, all plenty outlets you can buy Bitcoin from. Plenty of them, right? When you buy Bitcoin and you just a buyer, that meaning you're going to move some cash. You're going to move some cash into Bitcoin, and you just going to hold it and hope Bitcoin goes up. You just a buyer. You're not trading. You just like an investor. See, if I'm a trader, I'm a trader. I'm not holding. I'm looking for the best trades to make interest on my Bitcoin. If I'm a buyer, I'm an investor, right? But if you coming in with $100, family, you ain't doing nothing. Hey, if you want to really make some money, really see some profit, to really even talk about, you probably got to buy you a whole Bitcoin. And a whole bit, and let me just clear that up. Bitcoin is trading for over 33,000 right now, but you don't have to buy a whole coin. You can buy fractions of them. They call Satoshis. You can buy fractions of them. Let's clear that up. So if you got $10, you can turn it into Bitcoin. $20, $50, you can turn it into Bitcoin. $100. But if you're not finna use that for something, you ain't doing that. You might well just spend that. We gonna be straight. This far money now. We're gonna be strictly, totally honest. We're gonna tell the truth. We're gonna be transparent, right? We just want to talk to you. You put $100 into Bitcoin, that's not finna make you rich. Don't look for nothing significant coming back off of that, right? Don't look for that. But if you $1,000, you might can grow that $1,000 to $1,200, $1,300, because Bitcoin going up, you might can catch that type of profit. But that still ain't gonna make you rich because you only got $1,000. I'm just giving y'all the pros and cons in it, right? The ones who are benefiting the most, people like Robert Kiyosaki. Robert Kiyosaki is a multi-millionaire, asset rich. He probably multi-billionaire if we counted all his assets, right? However, he got a lot of Bitcoin, right? He got a lot of Bitcoin, but he's not a trader. He's not a trader. He's an investor. So he got a lot of Bitcoin and he holding his Bitcoin. Y'all follow what we're saying? He holding his Bitcoin, but he didn't probably put a few $1 million in the Bitcoin. Just like we had the big corporation. That's why Bitcoin is exploding. See, I just want to give y'all some history right quick, right? Last year, 2018, approximately 3 years ago, 2018, January of 2018, Bitcoin had reached its all-time high at that time, which was a little over $19,000, a little under 20,000, right? It only stayed there for a day or two. It didn't even stay there long. Then it started to fall back down. Then it hit 10,000. Then it went up under 10,000. Last year alone, in 2019, Bitcoin went all the way under almost went all the way down to like $3,000 per coin. This last year, people was writing it off. Oh, it can't stand it. Gold has shot up, right, to over $2,000 per ounce. Now, I just want y'all to follow this. That was 3 years ago. 3 years later, Bitcoin is over 30,000. It eclipsed the all-time high of 19 plus thousand. It eclipsed that by over 10,000. So people like Robert Kiyosaki, they got the capital to just invest in that, to hold that. You got people like John McAfee. These are millionaires, multi-millionaires. Like you just got the big man. I got to go find his name. But he put like $430-some million in the Bitcoin just about 2 weeks ago. So a lot of corporations been buying into Bitcoin, moving a lot of capital into Bitcoin. That's why you see the price of Bitcoin going up. That's why you see the price of Bitcoin going up, family. So just understand what we're saying. So if you coming in with just a little cap, even if you had $300,000, that'll get you roughly 10 Bitcoins. For you to double that, Bitcoin got to hit 60,000. Can it do that? Absolutely. Will it do that? Who knows? It's not a guarantee that it will. And we don't know when. So I just want y'all to just listen at what is being said so you can make the right choice, but you can get a knowledge on how you can play with Bitcoin, how you can get into this market and benefit from it. So do you want to trade Bitcoin? Do you want to buy Bitcoin? Which one? Trade or buy? Or both. You might want to do both. Y'all might want to trade, and I might want to be an investor in the Bitcoin too and just hold some of my cash in it. Cool. All right. The last question. Or would you rather get paid in Bitcoin? So let me look at the comment section here. All right. Assalamu alaikum, brother Leon. Brother Leon said A, B, and C. That's right. All right. Yes, John Robinson, Ethereum hit 900 earlier today. Trading is definitely a skill. Yes, sir. All right. So nobody answered the question. Bitcoin said A, B, and C. All right. So family, good morning, everybody. Brother Jason. Assalamu alaikum. Sister Janice, great rising. Right. So, okay. Free Bitcoin, big facts. Okay. Dwayne Muhammad, assalamu alaikum, top souls. All right. So family, those are the comments right there. So let's just take a pause. Let's just go over these factors before we get into trading Bitcoin. I mean, before we get into getting paid in Bitcoin. Now, you can get paid in Bitcoin multiple ways. They got something called mining, meaning you helping verify the blocks. Take a lot of computers to do that. Take a lot of time to do that, right? But you're getting You getting paid Bitcoin by doing it, but you wasting a lot of energy, and you got to have a lot of computers and all of that to do it, right? But you can do it. Anybody can go do that, right? You can download the software system and you can start mining it, and you start getting paid in Bitcoin. This is how you start earning Bitcoin. That's one way to get paid in Bitcoin, right? You got to take skills to do that. Gonna take time because you got to unlock codes. You got to crack codes, right? I don't know too much about that, but I'm just telling you, that's one way to get paid in Bitcoin by trade mining, by mining Bitcoin, right? Another way to get paid in Bitcoin is what we're doing in Gold Standard Bank. Wa'alaikum salam, bro, Billy. I need to talk to you too, brother. Give me a call sometime today. You too, brother Leon. I need to talk to you too. So, family, understand what we're saying. You can get paid in Bitcoin by mining Bitcoin. Or the only other way I know, you get paid in Bitcoin and become a Gold Standard partner. You can become a Gold Standard partner and get paid in Bitcoin. How? How, me coming a Gold Standard partner, brother Supreme, do I get paid in Bitcoin? Easily. First, you sign up. It really don't cost you nothing to start getting paid in Bitcoin. You just got to have a why. You just got to have a strong will and to go out and do it. That's why I say this the signs of networking, the signs of leverage, right? You get paid. You can get paid in Bitcoin and Gold Standard partners by making a free account and go refer other people to our products. What are our products? We got passive income, residual income. We got Blockchain Academy, and we got our own crypto coin called the G999 that costs pennies. We got brand advantage package status, membership status that you can pay for $150. So I'm holding two $100 bills, right? Two $100 bills. So you can get in the Gold Standard partner, start earning. Not only will you get a baby coin that only been on the market a little under 3 weeks, going on 3 weeks, it'd be 3 weeks Tuesday, right? That this coin called the G999 is on the market. It's in the same position Bitcoin was in back in 2008, 2009. In the same position, right? What is our coin gonna do? I don't know. All I know is I would take that chance seeing what coins like Bitcoin did, what Bitcoin is doing. I would take that chance to see. I'm only paying pennies. So for $150, take $50 out of this now. $200, you're gonna keep $50, right? You're gonna keep $50. That'd be some gas money, some food, out to eat or whatever you do with it, right? But you're gonna have a global business. You're gonna have some of our coins that come with that 150. You're gonna have complete access to our Blockchain Academy. You're gonna get promotional bonuses. You're gonna get all of this with the brand membership, right? So as we shift that, and you're gonna be in position to earn from a lot of levels Bitcoin, not just Bitcoin. We're not just getting paid in Bitcoin. We're getting paid in Ethereum as well. The top 2 hottest cryptocurrencies in the world. So the question, back to the question, would you rather trade Bitcoin or buy Bitcoin or get paid in Bitcoin as a Gold Standards partner? See, the cons to this is I'm getting paid in it from commissions from the network. I don't have to worry about what Bitcoin is doing on the market. Y'all understand that? I don't have to worry about it, right? I don't have to worry about what Bitcoin is doing on the market. It's really irrelevant to me. The only relevancy it is to me is the only relevancy to me is when it's going up, should I go ahead and move it to a crypto card and pay for and take the profit? Should I move it to a crypto card and take the profit? That's the only significant decisions that we have to make. Should I hold it when it's going up? We know summertime it's going to eventually start to go back down. Maybe we don't know when, right? But maybe it might start to drop a little bit, and it could drop rapidly. So the question is, what is that to me? So that's the decision that we have to make as a gold standard partner. Should I just hold my earnings, my commissions in Bitcoin and Ethereum? Or should I send it to a debit card and start spending it? I start getting cash back for it, turn it back into cash to take the profits. That's the only family. That's the only thing that we have to understand. That's our challenge. We're not worried about trade. I'm not worried about skill in trade. If you want to trade, cool. That's your decision. You want to do that, cool. I don't have to do that. Why? Because we have a network. Build a network, and the Bitcoin comes in, the Ethereum comes in. So as I pull up my back office, right? Y'all see this bell up here? I hope you can see this bell. If you don't, like I said, if you don't watching us on Instagram, go to our YouTube channel, Fard Money, subscribe to the channel, and then watch, and you will see what we're showing right here, right? So, family, I done been paid over 500 plus times in the last 34 days. Somebody do the math on that, right? That's almost what? That's almost 20 times per day. Something like that. It's close to 20, like 16, 17 times per day in Bitcoin and in Ethereum. What did I do with it? Well, I had cash, so I got cash, so I didn't really have to move it back into cash and nothing like that. I just started buying more coins, buying more G999. So I'm turning the Bitcoin commission and the Ethereum commission into a coin that's a penny. Because I know it. Yes, I can get rich off of the network. I'm going to get rich off the network, going to be rich off the network. And my commissions is coming in. I'm going to be rich in Bitcoin, in Ethereum. I'm not an investor into Bitcoin. I'm not a trader, right? I'm an investor into the G99. That's what I'm investing in. Why? Because it's a penny. If that coin go to 5 cents, I make a big profit. If that coin go to 5 cents, I make a big profit. I just want everybody to unlock this. You have to unlock what we're saying. I'm trying to talk as plain as possible. I'm trying to talk as simple as possible, family. I want everybody to comprehend this because everybody is talking about Bitcoin, but they don't have, and everybody is definitely not offering you a way like this to get paid in Bitcoin and Ethereum and invest into a brand new token that only been on the market for a little over, for almost 3 weeks, for pennies. $100 will get you 5,000 of our coins. That brand membership, let's just go to the brand membership and let y'all look at what comes with the brand membership, right? Brand Advantage Basic Package. This started December the 15th. This is a yearly subscription. It includes the GS Partner Dashboard, updated, 3 priority support tickets, priority access to GSB products, exclusive access to special GS Partners promotions, gold standard basic blockchain savings account, 3.5 per annum. We can stop right there. We ain't even got to go no further. Family, do y'all know what the blockchain savings account is? We're talking about a blockchain savings account. We're talking about a blockchain savings account, family. The price is $149 right now. And you got to get this with Bitcoin or Ethereum. So In a real sense, it's over 43,000 people in Gold Standard Partners. Gold Standard Partners just started December the 1st, 2020. Just a little over a month ago. Right? Just a little over a month ago. Listen at me. We are helping the price of Bitcoin and Ethereum go up. But this is what we getting paid in, and we helping it. Why? Because when people come in, and when people, after they come in and then they want to get RG99 coins, they got to use Ethereum, they got to use Bitcoin, whether they use their commissions or whether they go buy Bitcoin and Ethereum from somewhere else and move it to Gold Standard Pot. So we helping the rise of it. 43,000 people in this one community that just got started. Right? So the blockchain, the Gold Standard blockchain savings account is going to be a way for the average person with a minimum of 10,000 coins, sit it in a wallet, sit it on our blockchain, and start to earn passive residual G999s. 10,000. You do 2 airdrops. If you do 3 airdrops, we got a deal right now. You do 3 airdrops of $99. So $300 minus $3. $300. Well, you watch it on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. $300 in my hand. $300 will get you 20,000 of the G999. Then when the Blockchain Academy come out, the blockchain savings account come, you can save 10 of those in an account, and it's gonna per annual bring you back 3.5% on your coins. This is not you investing. Why? Because your coins that you sit in that savings account, they don't go nowhere, and you got full access to stop the savings account, move those coins at your will. This is totally transparent, straight decentralized. You are in control of everything you do inside a Gold Standard Pot. $300 get you 20,000 of the G999s right now. Right now. All right. So that ain't it though. Then you're gonna get 2,499 G999s. That's what your 150 purchase, right? So let me just put this in half, because this $200 bill, they just put this in half so y'all understand. 150. 150. You're gonna get you, just say 2,500 coins right there. You got the Blockchain Academy. A lot of y'all need to know and learn about blockchain. We all need to learn. Why I didn't watch the videos multiple times. And I've been dealing and studying cryptocurrency since 2016. But I'm still is trying to learn it and study it and all of that, because I'm involved in it, right? Then you're going to get another G999 blockchain credits. That's another 999 G999. Basic access to the Gold Standard lifestyle. We have a lifestyle that nobody else has. I'm trying to tell you. Comes with the ability to upgrade to brand Advantage Premier package. Start January the 15th. This all for $149. And this is a limited deal because it's going to go up to this price you see right here, $275 come January the 15th. So if you on the fence and you haven't got your brand membership yet, or you haven't registered yet, and you seeing this now, go ahead and get back with the person that shared this with you. Tell them to send you a link. Or if you came here from one of our team members, Team Forward Money, tell them to send you the link. Or you can also send us an email running at the bottom of the screen that been running this whole video, and you can give us your full name, your phone number, and the best time to call you, and we will give you a call and we can have a conversation about this. Trade Bitcoin. I buy Bitcoin. I get paid in Bitcoin. These are questions that everyone has to ask. Well, I don't understand it. You don't really have to. Just know that Bitcoin is a digital form of storing money, currency. It's a digital form of storing currency, and it blocks out the bank. That's what Bitcoin is. It takes you out of the hands of the bank. So as long as you're dealing in cash, dealing in dollars, you in the hands of the bank. It takes you out of that. Right? So we just want to get you to understand what we're saying. Now, later tonight, we might do another stream, part 2 to this, and we might break out the whiteboard to give you more of a visual. Because remember, when you trade, you're dealing with skill. You're dealing with skills. So you're going to lose. That's the risk. When you're buying Bitcoin, you're concerned about Bitcoin continue to rise in value. When you get paid in Bitcoin, it takes away everything. Y'all understand what we're saying? It takes away everything. I get paid in Bitcoin. I don't care. I really don't care. Only when the price go up in Bitcoin, my commission just goes up. If I had $1,000 on there last night when I woke up, Bitcoin went up, boom, my commissions went up. But I didn't get no more commissions. Then the commission still come. I mean, it's kind of hard to explain. It really is. It really is to be getting paid in appreciating asset, the hottest thing in the world right now. The hottest thing in the money space is Bitcoin. And it should be Ethereum too, because Ethereum doing real good, but ain't nobody talking about Ethereum because Bitcoin is outshining it. But we get paid in both. They consider Bitcoin the gold of cryptocurrency, and they consider Ethereum the silver of cryptocurrency. Get them both. Right? Get them both. But I'm not trading. Not saying that I won't trade somewhere down the line, but I'm not trading right now. Really have time for it. Right? Not trading. If you want to trade, cool. No problem with that. Do your thing. Right? I'm not invested in Bitcoin in Ethereum. I'm not an investor. Why? Because I'm getting paid through the network in it. I'm an investor into the G999. The G999, as we call it. That's what I'm investing in. That's what I'm investing in this project right here. That's a baby project that took 3 years to develop. So this wasn't nothing rushed through. It took 3 years for us to get to the G999. And we're here now. Blockchain up. Exchange up. And we just getting started. So I got the coin for a penny. Coin go to $1. You took $150, started a global business. We active in 150 countries. 150 countries you can have team members in. I can just give y'all some countries that we got in our team, just in our team. I'm not talking about the whole gold standard part. I'm just talking about in team for money, right? And we just started December the 1st now. Whole new project, whole new system, whole new business. We had to start from zero, everybody, right? We got team members in India, Africa, in the UK, in the United States. Matter of fact, we got a brother in Trinidad, right? Forgot, in the Caribbean. So family, that's the significance of networking. That's the signs of networking. So I can leverage Gold Standard Bank. I can leverage their products and accumulate Bitcoin and Ethereum just like that, without coming out of my pocket and without the risk and without the skills of trading. This is the signs of that, family. So we just wanted to drop that on y'all today. And like I said, later on tonight, by 8 o'clock tonight, I'm thinking about breaking out the whiteboard and go into part 2 to this and go over some facts where y'all can see it wrote down, and you can see this what it looked like. This what investing looked like. This what Bitcoin looked like in 2018. This what it looked like in 2008. It's what it looked like too. So you just gotta understand. We seen somebody ask the question if you had invested $100 in the Bitcoin in 2010, what would that $100 gain you today, which is 11 years later? So you're gonna get wealth. It ain't gonna happen overnight. You gotta think long term if you're gonna get rich. You're gonna get rich. Hey, but listen, our coin G99 ain't been out there for 3 months yet. It ain't been out there for 6 months yet. How long will it take to get to $1? I don't know. The sooner the better, but I'm in for the long haul. I ain't going nowhere. I don't care if the coin get to 25 cents, 50 cents. I don't really care if it get to $1. Right? For me to move, turn, cash out on some of my coins, I spend them. That coin gotta get to $10, at least $10. So become a millionaire by choice. You can get your 100,000 of them and sit back and just sweat the coin and get the $10. But there go you $1 million right there. It's just math. You can get you 1 million of them. Sit back, sweat the coin and get to $1. Bam, there go you a meal ticket right there. It's just math. It's just numbers. You just playing the numbers game. You just playing the market. But get involved. Take a look at what's going on. So with that being said, family, if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, please do so for our money. If you watching us on Instagram, if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, please do so for our money. Follow us on Facebook, For Our Money Network. We're on Twitter, For Our Money, and we also on Instagram, For Our Money Network. And please follow us on all platforms as we break this out. And we're going to come with more streams, and we're trying to do a stream every day, breaking down this science and giving y'all the actual facts about this, because we on a 90-day run. We on day 34. We started December the 1st. So we on day 34 in For Our Money. In this 90-day run, we're going to give it an extension. It's going to go all the way to March 15. Big things coming March 15. Big things coming March 15. Not just for Gold Standard Partner, but for For Our Money Network. Stay tuned. Stay plugged in. A lot of stuff coming. You're going to hear a lot from us in 2021. This is our time to shine. This is our time to dominate. And that's what we're about to do. So with that being said, family, we will see y'all on the next stream. We out.